There's a lot of talk of RIM's future today. We turn now to our senior business correspondent, Amanda Lang. Amanda's in Toronto tonight. Amanda.
Today's share price decline, Peter, just makes Research in Motion more vulnerable to a takeover. Rumors of potential bids have been in the market for months.
With the former CEOs out of the corner office, some expected a change in attitude around takeovers. This analyst says it's clear that's not the case.
They were and are still determined to carry on the strategy of going it alone. Some people have called it arrogance. It's also the fact that they're still operating on the original playbook that RIM played in order to be tremendously successful.
Takeover or not, Canadians fear this may end as another high-flying tech name grounded. But RIM's business is stronger than many people realize. RIM has 75 million BlackBerry subscribers globally in 175 countries. It's growing fast, up 35% year over year. And Canada's BlackBerry is the top-selling smartphone in many countries, including Latin and South America, the UK, all of Africa, and of course, Canada. Research in Motion has 3 million subscribers in Canada, a 36% share of the market, and it employs a lot of people here. Of 17,500 globally, 11,000 are in Canada. It's also our biggest R&D investor at more than $1 billion a year. And then there's the hard-to-quantify national pride, which might make it even harder to see RIM sold to a foreign buyer. Former Industry Minister John Manley says it does matter.
Having large global Canadian companies matters. It matters to have a flag bearer that's in the international markets.
Possible bidders for all or parts of RIM include Microsoft, Nokia, Samsung, even Amazon has reportedly taken a look. On its own or with a buyer, the consensus is that RIM needs to do something.
We don't have big technology companies like RIM in Canada. And so the challenge that we're going to have if RIM slides into irrelevancy or gets taken over and isn't able to turn itself around is filling that gigantic hole.
One question that's now being asked, if there is a takeover offer, would the government move to block it? There isn't a lot of precedent for that, but then again, the rules haven't been tested on a tech company of this size. Peter?
All right, Amanda, thanks very much. Amanda Lang in Toronto tonight.